What I have here, folks, is the IRONJIAS latest range of motorcycle bags. Every time I've used this bag, because I live in Ireland, it has rained. And this is what I love so much about this bag, the fact that it's utterly and completely waterproof. So I reached out to the company again because I saw that they have new bags out. Look at this little touch as well. I think this is great. The company very kindly printed these removable logos up for me, which I think is a nice little touch. I'm sure if you check their website out. So as you can see here, I did a thorough waterproof test with Zach and our dog Charlie on the 50-litre bag. So I have no doubt it's still the same on these latest bags. Well, I'll start with the first one since I'm holding this one. Like, for instance, last week I went down to my accountant's in Dublin on a motorbike, an hour and a half away, put all my paperwork receipts in here. And in there you can see, I don't know if you can get inside there, Zach, as well. You have another sort of little pocket in there just for those really important things that you want to keep separate or safe and that you don't want them getting mixed up with it. One of the other things I love about this is that even last week when I was only carrying paper and receipts in here, you can fold it up, strap it down, and then squeeze all of the air out using, where is it? There you go. Using the hose on the side. I'm saying hose, it's a vent. So you can let all of the air out, squeeze it down, and it stays compacted to the size and the shape of whatever you have in the bag. So that's that one, and again comes in a load of different colours and sizes and shapes, and that's an exterior pocket as well. I would have thought it's very useful to put things like the shoulder strap in there, just so you don't lose it. I'm forever doing that with. I've never really found something until these, which will go on every bike, and that you can get them in pretty much nearly every colour to suit your bike as well. And the whole idea of all of the air shrinking out of them, I just love. And then the fact that they're waterproof as well. Brilliant. I can't be rocking up at a biker festival with me bin bags on the back of the bike. So that's why I started looking around. So I went straight to IRONJIAS and saw that they're now doing this. Guess what? Now, if I can't take a strap off the bag, I'm hardly going to be able to do this. Oh, so far so good, Zach. Zach's helped me there. This is the 70-litre bag. I think we're all good. Look at this. The 70-litre bag fits my inflatable mattress. And dare I say it, I think it looks bloody amazing. I really think they're fantastic. So even when Zach here wants to go off with his mates camping for a weekend, he could fill this with bottles of beer and he'd have a great weekend.